this is Chinmayi and today it's going to be an unboxing from this new seller that I tried, Yes Style. So let's get right in. In one of their sales, I found out that this particular essence that I wanted to try for a really long time, which is the Pyunkang Essence Toner, was on sale on this website called Yes Style, and I went ahead and bought it. So Yes Style is also one of these K-beauty retailer websites that people can buy from. So from some of these YouTubers that I follow, like Gothamista, they also mention Yes Style as one of their reliable websites to buy from. So I decided to try it for the first time. Now this came in, my shipment came in a polythene cover like this. My address of course is in this side. So what I noticed as interesting was none of these skincare was secured in an additional layer of bubble wrap, which is very typical of most K-beauty retailers because they ship all the way from Korea. And the downside to that, my Pyunkang Essence Toner that I actually wanted to try was empty. By the time it had come, it had spilt all over all the shipment and the packages. And what I did notice was the cap was also loosely screwed, so I don't know what exactly went on with this. So this was empty on delivery, plus the packaging, especially the cardboard carton of my Maxclinic Propolis barrier ampoule, which I'm also going to be trying. All of these were saturated with the Pyunkang essence, so I hope that helps their hydration purposes because it's not helped mine. So this is a total waste of money. I'm not going to be getting any sort of a refund or a sorry or anything like that. So that's that. Of course, this packaging, this is the Annie's Way jelly mask in Arbutin plus hyaluronic acid brightening jelly mask. Now this packaging is also saturated with the essence, so I'm going to be throwing this away. But this Annie's Way is a Taiwanese brand, and they are pretty famous for their jelly mask and their sheet mask. So I'm going to be trying this for the first time. And what I was also intrigued by is this, the Peripera Fashion People's Carrier NewYorker. So this is this cute little suitcase actually. And I'm going to be opening this for the first time. You see this? Do you see how cute this is? These K-beauty things are so damn cute. Look at this. Toy, 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 toy. Okay, toy, 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 toy. It seems okay. And it opens up like this, and it has a concealer, a bronzer, some sort of a tint, vivid tint water, and it has another layer, I think, which has nothing underneath. So this is actually very cute. So you can actually take some of your makeup minis in this and then put it into your makeup bag, and this looks damn cute in my opinion. So I'm going to be trying this out, and I shall give you a mini review in one of my forthcoming videos as to what exactly I think about all that is there in this box. Oh, it also comes with this sticker. What is this? What is this? What is this? All this. Cute, ain't it? Fragile, blah blah blah. Okay, so what they claim from this Peripera Fashion People's Carrier NewYorker Lively Yellow is that if you get this, you can go to travel without big cosmetic pouch, and you can be the one who are fashionable person in the travel. Okay, lost in translation. So basically this carrier has 3 lip tints, 1 concealer, 1 multi shadow, eyeshadow and contour I presume, and a DIY sticker. So what is a DIY sticker? I hope this is not the one. Anyway, so I'm going to be trying out those lip tints. Korea is very famous for their lip tints, and that's something that I'm going to be trying, and I'll give you a review as to what exactly I think about it. The free sample that I got, which is also drenched in the essence, and from the packaging, the blue color, is the Aloe Skin Foods sheet mask. So this was a free sample that I got. And the other thing that I have always been wanting to try is one of these cutesy things. This is from Etude House. This is called a My Beauty tool. And this is bunny ears, okay? So, oh God, this is also, oh Lord. Okay, so as you see, I need to wash this. This has some sort of a color bleed from that. So, when I wear my makeup, or maybe when I'm trying my skincare next time on the channel, I'm going to be wearing this and look very cute. I try and look cute, I guess. So anyway, so this is something that I found really cute and I wanted to buy this, and that's what I have bought. This is in cotton. and everything else here is written in Korean. I'm sorry, I still don't speak Korean. The other thing, as I told you a little earlier in this video, is the Maxclinic Propolis Barrier Ampoule, and this Propolis Ampoule includes natural ingredients that boost the skin's radiance and help retain moisture. This is something I'm trying for the first time. There is a lot of quantity. This is 100 ml, so this is going to be lasting a long time. I'm sure this will last me at least 4 to 5 months, even if I'm doing a twice daily use. I speak from experience because I remember using a Cynic all-in-one honey ampoule, and that jar is yet to run out after 1+ year of continuous usage. So that's one of the things that I actually like about Korean skincare. A lot of these skincare, you know, the quantities are really nice, the price is really competitive, and they're effective as you know what. So that's about it for this video. This was the YesStyle unboxing, and for me, the products aside, would I be going back to the seller to buy anything? I doubt it, because that's about that's some money that's down the drain, and I didn't like the fact that they didn't pack the remaining products securely and properly. So that's a downside for me. I will be trying other K-beauty retailers, and I shall be sharing what exactly this was. Another thing about YesStyle is that they allow you to pay in Indian rupees, and at that point in time they also had a shipping, you know, some sort of a thing going on. So I think shipping was free, in addition to the fact that a lot of these items were on 50% sale or 60% sale. So that was also why I gravitated towards the site. This does come to you at least after 30 days. So I had ordered this at the beginning of December, and by the time it reached me, it was the first week of January. So that is something that you need to always factor in if you're buying Korean skincare from any of these retailers, is the time that you need to wait. You have to wait. So that's about it. I shall meet you in my next video. Until then, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye. I had told you guys on Instagram that I would be sharing the recipe of my homemade shampoo.